Next is Khushbu Mishra from Agra district.
When the whole village went dark, a small corner lit. In that small corner, there was no building, no house, no diyas, but a small street light. Under that street light, Ravi and Priya always used to study, under harsh circumstances, mosquitoes and hunger, a hunger that eats them from within. One day, a passerby asked them, "Why do you do this every day? Why are you spending your youth prime time in this situation?" They simply smiled at each other and replied that the street light might not be ours, but the dreams are. And with that very statement, we can say that it is not just a fictional story of Priya and Ravi, but a true story of every Indian individual who have shaped India into what we are today. Greetings to this Sabha, and today I am going to present my views. Today, as we are discussing Union Budget of 2026, we are talking about the opportunities that those people, APJ Abdul Kalam to Anand Kumar and every student he has ever taught, has proven that when opportunity reaches right talent and skill, it thrives. We are talking about those opportunities in the form of education, skill development and digitalization, and the most important that has been discussed for the very first time in India, that is orange economy. When we say this, I think that there is three major ways where India youth can do that. Every person sitting here, you and me, and every person who will ever see this speech even can do to build the Viksit Bharat and help the government to reach the people. First one is finding Ravi and Priya. When I say this, I mean that going out to the people and those 650 million people who are individual and they are not literate enough to have a digital access. It is responsibility of us to reach those people, tell them about government's opportunities, subsidies, so that for them, their dreams seems reachable. Second one is accountability. Everyone says that the youth of a country is the power of it. But why is it said so? Because they know their rights and how to avail them. So it becomes responsibility of us to have accountability in our own work, as well as ask for the accountability for the people and the institutions that are in power. Third and the most important is the contribution. Contribution does not always mean that being a doctor, engineer, IAS, PCS and everything like that. But it can be as simple as putting that plastic bottle into the dustbin, respecting women and giving every person awareness. Apart from that, having civic sense also. At the end, I would say that by practicing these small yet impactful steps, I believe that India could become Viksit Bharat, and every Ravi and Priya who are now asking for Tamso Ma Jyotirgamaya, they will be sitting in this Vidhan Sabha tomorrow from 10 to 20 years from now, and they will be building the Viksit Bharat of 2047 that we are dreaming today as a future. At the end, I would say that this place holds the memories, and it becomes important for every one of us to have our own words here and inspire the youth upcoming. Thank you.